Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So, like the hat says, I've had a bad hair day. I've been wearing this bun and this hat for like a week, and although it is wash day, I'm gonna hold out one more day. So today I'm using two products from the Tropical Moringa collection, the Sealing Cream and the Restorative Spray. Both of these products can be found at your local Rite Aid as well as themainchoice.com. And since I'm trying to stretch my wash day one more day, these two products are great just for that. I'm going to be using the restorative spray just to add some moisture, and then I'm going to be using the sealing cream as my styler. So I'm first going to take the restorative spray and just spray that all over. Like I said, I am skipping wash day, so I'm just going to be adding some goodness to my hair before I wash it the next day. And then to each section, I'm going to be adding the sealing cream. And I'm sectioning off my hair because this is like an effortless kind of wave look. So I'm going to be doing flat twists all over my head. But I'm going to be adding the sealing cream to each section before I flat twist. And then I'm going to end it off with a perm rod. And then that is really it. I'm just doing flat twists. I'll be taking them out and then fluffing my hair out a little bit at the end, and that's really it. So please enjoy the rest of this video and this style. This is super easy. You can do this, like I said, if you're skipping wash day, you need a little extra time and one more style. And with that being said, thanks so much for watching and enjoy the rest of this video.